These trees are trying to kill me. I'm not joking. Every single tree in the forest wants me dead. This game is called Trees Hate You, and all I need to do is escape, so that should be easy, right? Be this loser design. Of course I'm going to design my guy. Come on now. Let's see. All right, y'all. This is my character. What y'all think? I look like he got a cape on the back, but whatever, man. Let's just go ahead and get into it. All right. Do I just walk around? What'd that say? Be sure to read every sign you see. You never know when one will say something useful. Okay. The trees don't look like they hate me right here. What is this? Is this a... They got secrets in the game? How do I get that coin up there? Wait. Is this tree gonna attack? Oh, no, I'm good. I'm not good. Yeah, just stay away from these niggas, man. He took out the blick on me? Why you take the... I forgot, bro. Yep, get away. I'm safe behind. Why they put the rocks there like you're safe behind the rocks? Like you're not safe behind the rocks. Okay, we can fake them out. I thought that one would have a gun too. Like it's literally back to back. All right, cool. It's a trial and error game. There we go. You got a Smith & Wesson. Yeah, I'm going. All right. Does it hit me if I go up here? No, I don't. It only hits you if you walk that path. What? What? Why did that happen? Is that going to keep happening now? Yo. I'm on it. Oh, who's shooting? Give me my checkpoint, man. What is he going to do? I'm calling trees he's, but what are they going to do? You right here. What are you going to do, sir? This nigga blitz me like Ray Lewis. Like, yo. Can I run? Get out of there. All right. Shit, I fell down. Wait, was that tree right there in the corner always there? Get away from him. Oh, that tree wasn't there before. I swear it wasn't. You missed. Are you shooting too? Yep. No? My fault, big dog. Big dog, please. Come here, boy. Like, yo, like, I didn't even know that was gonna happen. Oh, yep, weave. Didn't weave that one. I'm out of there on you. Yep, now what? All right, my fault for taunting you. Get out of here. Yep. Fuck. Come on. Yep. Whoa, shit, who else shot? Oh yeah, that's right. I thought they had guns, I forgot. Out of there on you. Well, I thought it was at an angle. Come on. Yep, get out of there on him. Come on. Yep. Oh my gosh. All right, just get out of there. Go. go, 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 go. Let's see. I'm glad they can't just like get that. Yo, it started me back over here. There was no checkpoint right there. Damn. Get out of here with that weak shit, man. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hold up. Just go. I don't know why he moved like that. It's been 10 minutes, bro. This don't feel like it's a long game. This is a demo. Ooh, got shifty on him. Hold up now. I don't know why I thought that tree was gonna chase me, bro. Yeah, no, you're not hitting me, bro. Yep. God dang. I'm gonna get out of there. Go, 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 go. All right, cool. Down, up. All right, what does the sign say? If you get stuck, press tab and check for trees. Press tab? Nigga, what? Now what? I'm about to lose my shit in this bitch. Oh, I'm about to quit. I'm about to quit. Y'all peep how the sign in the beginning said, make sure you read all signs for tips. This is a troll ass game. Like, yo, literally set up something from the beginning of the game like that. Oh my gosh, let me pay attention. Let me log in. Yep. Now get out of here on these niggas. Put the jets on, put the jets on. Ooh. Down, up. What am I supposed to do? What am I supposed to do right there? What? Just go, 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 go. Come on, safe. Down, up. Trigger the tree. Is it another one? All right, cool. Safe. That checkpoint felt good, man. That checkpoint felt good. Actually, I'm supposed to go that way, but I think there's a secret this way. Hold up, hold up. Hold up, hold up. Hey. Why did the music get a little bit vibey right there? No way, right? Okay, cool. Hey. Yo, you pushed me back to the start. I had a feeling something was going to happen with the tree, but it didn't happen the first time, so I thought it was cool. Oh my god. What the yo? Get away. Are you coming down to it too? Oh my gosh, bro. You got a gun? Yep. Get away from you. Come on, troll ass game. Yeah, I've been through this. I've been through this area more than enough. I'm out of there on you. Hit the jets. Put the jets on them. All right, cool. Down, up combo. Down, up. Up. Hold up. Where the other tree at? There you go. Run back. Come on. I got the method. And I got my checkpoint back. Pussy. Now, I feel like the smart thing is to go up the steps, right? But this tree is here. It might jump or something. I don't know. So I feel like I should walk straight. But I feel like at this point in the game know I'm overthinking. So I should just take the steps, right? Yo, this game. Come on. I forgot. Yep. Weaved his ass. Alright, then I'm just gonna walk straight. What do y'all got going on? Oh. Almost broke the shades, bro. This is a troll. It still hit me. There we go. Weave. Come on. What am I trying to do? Fuck. I forgot what I had to do for this. Well, I haven't figured it out yet. Yeah, nigga. Uh-huh. I'm out of there. No! Come on, man. Is there no shift button? Oh, I said shift. It is a shift to run. Is it? Wait. Maybe it's not. Am I tripping? Nah, it's not. The speed I just go. Stay right here. Get up. What am I supposed to do in that situation? Literally, what am I supposed to do? Then they got this troll ass music playing, bro. Like, yo. Forgot about it. I'm gonna go down. Now what? Okay. I deserve that one. I deserve that one because I should have known. What the fuck? What are you doing? Maybe just go around. Okay. Like, that tree caught me off guard, bro. Come on. Stick to the left. I tried to just blitz. Damn. I tried to just like hurry up and get over there, but I guess I can't do that. I'm gonna have to go down, then go back up. Just don't go down too far because that other tree gonna sprout out from the ground. Stay to the left. Boom. Yep, you missed. Go down. Go back this way. Now, potentially a tree could spawn up. But if you see the gray patches right there at the bottom right there, where my mouse at? Right here? That's where the trees are coming out from. That's what I learned. So I'm gonna go down here. Stop playing, bro. Stop playing, bro. No way, right? How I know? Come on. You're too predictable. Whoa! You're not predictable. I'm sorry. Like, why do the trees hate so much? What happened? Why do you hate me so much? What have I done? All I've done was play in trees my whole life, bro. Climbing trees, hide and seek with trees. Like, what the heck I do? Yep, nigga. Like, what happened? I gotta lock in, bro. Just a little bit of unfocusedness, bro. Like, it's over. Leave. Yep, out the way. Down. Back up. Uh-huh. Free lane right here. Go back. Trigger it. Go back down. Come back up. Stick to the left. Now this tree could be trying to get me. Nigga. There you go. Hey, I'm out of there. Stay up against the wall, because I don't know what could happen. Come on, I literally seen the exit. I think that was the exit right there. Nigga, come on, I'm about to say. Go shoot your little Smith & Wesson. Go up, back down, boom. You missed. Go down, go back up, boom. You missed me. Get out the way of that, boom. I don't know if those trees can hurt you. They look like fake trees. Go back down. Come on. Go up, boom. That nigga delayed it. That nigga delayed his attack. Like, yo. There we go, come on. Up, down. Come on. Straight, down, up, left, down. I don't know if those trees can hurt you. I really don't know, but I don't want to test it, bro. Down. Straight. Get out of here, nigga. I'm out of there on your ass. Come on now. Who flying in? Boom. Boom. I'm gonna get there. I'm gonna get there. No, sir. Down, up, left. Come on, man. I'm getting this one. Yep. Walk straight. Hit him with that. Dang. All right. Walk this way. Then fade to the left. Boom. Stay to the left. Stay down. It's not over? I thought I beat the game. Okay. I'm scared. This tree in the front is going to do something. I probably shouldn't walk this way. There's a tree up there too. And you're gonna do something.
Nope.
Sir?
Nope. Nope.
Okay, I'm gonna just go down.
Nope.
Okay.
Nope.
Brother in Christ, where do you want me to go? Do I gotta weave him? Hold up.
Nope. Nope.
What the? Oh wait, it's gone. I'm gonna go up though. What is that? Holy. 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 All right, brother. What's the boy supposed to do? What I'm supposed to do, bro? I can't jump. What am I supposed to do? I'm literally blocked off all angles. Am I supposed to just die and wait for another thing to happen? What if I go back through? No? Okay. No, he's not attacking. What do I do? Alright, man. I'm just gonna have to die. Come on. Take me out, bro. Damn, slumped my dumb ass. What y'all got going on? Yo, no, please. Nah, nah, hell nah. Why am I wanted?
Nope.
Your whole ass back. Why? Uh-huh. What do you do, sir? Did you just trip me? Yo, he literally just clipped me. What are you doing? I knew he was gonna push me off. Okay. Okay, we're playing games now. Yeah, but it don't matter, nigga. I'm not reading another sign. No. No. Make it. I'm going left, nigga. And I'm out of there. And I'm out of here. Put the jets on his ass. You wouldn't dare. Oh my god. What do you do, sir? I'm not falling for it. I just want checkpoints. That's all I want. I do got a coin. What is this? Hold on. Do I can insert another coin? Please don't. Do I have 2 coins? I guess I do. Hey. 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 Hold up. No way, right? Bro, the hitbox bigger than what it should be, bro. I'm out. Look at the score. Who got? I'm out of here. Spruce, pine, and aspen. Not the trees playing this. This game is so troll, bro. No. Bro, the fact that you can't sprint in this game is actually crazy, bro. Get away. Get away. What is this, Crossy Roads? Why did he? I knew he was going to get hit by a car. I knew it. But why did you do that troll ass wave goodbye like you shitted on the trees? You still died, my guy. Don't troll the trolls. Just get out of there. Just get out of there. Pay attention, man. And the trees still got their get back. What is going on? Why? Wait. Why is it tree heaven and I'm a human being? That doesn't even make sense. What's going on in this game? Hey, if you ever play Pokemon and like when you get Arceus, like this literally look kind of like the steps when you go up there. What, I'm just floating in the infinite void now? Like, hey man, that was a good game. I ain't gonna lie, that was a good demo. demo. I'm not even gonna lie, I'm excited for this game to come out. This look like it's really gonna be a good game, especially if they keep giving us different trials and stuff based off what I'm seeing right here. I like it. I don't like some of those troll things you did though, but I like the game though. It's fun. I definitely play it again. Comment down below what y'all think about this game. Did y'all get through it faster than me? I think it took me like 30 minutes to get through this. I don't know how long the video gonna be. Give a thumbs up if you like the video. Subscribe if you want to see more from me, and keep on dreaming, because dreams never die.